Do your legs feel like they're just running on empty by the end of the day? Do you get that heavy, tired feeling when you try to climb a flight of stairs, get up from a chair, or even just take a walk? It's a frustrating feeling, isn't it? That sense that your own body can't keep up, leaving you feeling weak, unsteady, and older than you really are. You might blame it on a long day, getting older, or not enough exercise. But what if the real key to unlocking renewed strength in your legs isn't in the gym, but right inside your kitchen? What if I told you that you could start to feel a real difference, a surge of new energy, by making a few simple changes over the next 12 hours, and that you could do it using simple, affordable foods you might already have? This isn't magic, it's science. The solution to that powerless feeling in your legs is deeply connected to your circulation, muscle fuel, and inflammation. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you 8 specific foods that are scientifically shown to target these exact issues. We'll explain how key nutrients in these foods can help improve blood flow, reduce muscle fatigue, and provide the building blocks your legs are crying out for. Stay with me, because the journey to reclaiming your power starts with your very next meal. Let's start with a food that's a circulation superstar: the humble beet. If your legs feel heavy or weak, poor blood flow is often a primary reason. Your muscles need a constant, rich supply of oxygen to work properly, and when that supply is low, they get tired and weak. This is where beets come in. Beets are packed with natural compounds called nitrates. When you eat them, your body converts these nitrates into a remarkable molecule called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a key that unlocks and widens your blood vessels. This process, known as vasodilation, allows a surge of oxygen-rich blood to flow more freely to your hard-working leg muscles. The effect on your circulation can begin surprisingly fast. Research shows that consuming nitrate-rich foods can improve how efficiently your muscles work. One study even found that a diet rich in nitrates was linked to stronger lower limbs and faster walking speeds. This isn't just about long-term health, it's about giving your body an immediate upgrade. That heavy feeling in your calves can start to ease as they are finally flooded with the oxygen they've been craving. So, how can you get this benefit? It's simple. For a quick boost, consider a glass of beetroot juice, which concentrates the nitrates for fast absorption. If juice isn't your thing, try roasting a whole beet and adding it to your dinner salad. The earthy, sweet flavor is great with a little goat cheese. You can also grate raw beets into a slaw for a vibrant side dish. Even easier, many stores sell pre-cooked, vacuum-sealed beets that are ready to eat. Adding just one beet to a meal today can help kickstart that vasodilation process, sending a wave of revitalizing oxygen to your legs. Next up is a leafy green that Popeye had right all along: spinach. While it's famous for iron, the real secret to spinach's power is a combination of those same nitrates we found in beets, plus minerals that fight muscle fatigue. Just like beets, spinach is loaded with nitrates that promote nitric oxide and enhance blood flow to your muscles. In fact, studies have shown that eating just 1 cup of leafy greens like spinach daily can significantly boost muscle function and strength. This improved circulation means your muscles get more oxygen, helping them work longer before feeling tired. But spinach has another weapon. It's a fantastic source of both magnesium and potassium. Ever been woken up by a painful Charlie horse? Or felt your calf muscle seize up? That's often a sign you're low on these key electrolytes. Magnesium is crucial for muscle function. It's involved in over 300 reactions in the body, including muscle contraction and relaxation. When you're low on magnesium, your muscles are more prone to cramping and spasms. Potassium works with magnesium to regulate muscle contractions and fluid balance. To feel the effects, a small garnish won't do it. Aim for at least 1 to 2 cups of cooked spinach. The easiest way is to wilt it into your evening meal. Toss a few handfuls into a pasta sauce, soup, or stir fry at the very end. It shrinks down in a minute, and you've got an effortless, nutrient-packed addition. Or, blend a large handful of spinach into a smoothie with a banana and Greek yogurt. It's a perfect way to deliver a potent dose of nitrates and minerals to your system, helping to prevent cramps and fuel your muscles. When we talk about strength, we have to talk about protein. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair. But not all proteins are created equal, which brings us to salmon. Salmon is a powerhouse of high-quality protein, giving your body the essential amino acids it needs to repair the tiny micro-tears in your muscles from daily activity. This repair process is what ultimately makes your muscles stronger. But the real magic of salmon for leg recovery is its incredible amount of omega-3 fatty acids. If your legs feel sore and stiff, inflammation is a likely culprit. Omega-3s are nature's powerful anti-inflammatories. They work to calm this inflammation, which can reduce muscle soreness and stiffness. Research has shown that regular intake of omega-3s can help reduce delayed onset muscle soreness and support faster recovery after activity. This means that by making salmon a regular part of your diet, you're giving your body powerful tools to fight the inflammation that can make your legs feel weak and sore. While true muscle growth takes time, reducing the inflammation that's holding you back can make a perceptible difference in your comfort and mobility. For a powerful dose, a 5-ounce fillet of wild-caught salmon is ideal. Baking it with a little lemon and dill is simple and delicious. If fresh salmon isn't an option, high-quality canned salmon is an excellent and affordable alternative. You can flake it into a salad with some Greek yogurt and herbs or form it into patties for a quick salmon burger. By putting salmon on your plate, you're not just feeding your muscles protein. You're actively fighting the inflammation that's holding your leg strength hostage. For sustainable energy that keeps your legs going, we turn to quinoa. Do your legs ever feel like they just give out halfway through the day? That's often an energy crash caused by simple carbs like white bread or sugary snacks. They cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a hard crash that leaves your muscles feeling weak. Quinoa is the antidote. It's a complex carbohydrate, which means your body digests it slowly, providing a steady, sustained release of energy. Think of it like the difference between lighting paper and a log on fire. The paper flares up and is gone in an instant, while the log burns steadily for hours. Quinoa is that log, providing your leg muscles with a reliable fuel source to draw upon all day. But that's not all. Quinoa is also a complete protein, which is rare for a plant. It contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair, putting it in the same league as animal proteins. This 1-2 punch of sustained energy and muscle-repairing protein makes it a nearly perfect food for restoring leg power. Plus, quinoa is rich in many of the same minerals we've already talked about, like magnesium to help prevent muscle cramps and iron to help carry oxygen to your muscles. Incorporating quinoa is incredibly easy. Use it as a base for your dinner instead of rice or pasta. Cook up a batch and toss it with roasted vegetables and chickpeas for a hearty, energizing salad. You can even cook it like oatmeal for breakfast, topped with fruit and nuts. By swapping a simple carb for a serving of quinoa at your next meal, you're upgrading your fuel tank, ensuring your legs have the steady power they need to carry you through the day. Our 5th food is a breakfast staple that's a true powerhouse for muscle building: the egg. For years, the yolk was unfairly demonized, but science has shown that's a huge mistake, especially for muscle strength. The magic is in an amino acid found abundantly in the yolk, leucine. Leucine isn't just any amino acid. It acts as a direct on switch for building and repairing muscle tissue. When you consume leucine, it sends a powerful signal to your muscles to start rebuilding. Studies have shown that eating whole eggs after exercise stimulates a much greater muscle-building response than eating just egg whites with the same amount of protein. That's because the yolk contains not only leucine but also other vital nutrients that help your body use the protein effectively. This makes eggs an ideal food for kickstarting muscle repair. While you won't build new muscle overnight, you're giving your body the exact trigger it needs to begin the process. Eggs are also an incredible source of high-quality protein, with about 6 to 7 grams per egg. They are packed with other crucial nutrients, like B vitamins for energy and vitamin D, which also plays a role in muscle function. To leverage the power of eggs, have 2 or 3 for breakfast, scrambled, poached, or in a veggie-filled omelet. Eating the whole egg gives your body that crucial morning dose of leucine to switch on muscle repair for the day. If you're not a breakfast person, hard-boiled eggs are a perfect portable snack. By including whole eggs in your diet today, you're not just eating protein. You're sending a direct signal to your leg muscles to start rebuilding and growing stronger from the inside out. Next, we're looking at a convenient snack that directly combats a common cause of leg weakness: muscle cramps. I'm talking about almonds. If you get muscle tightness, twitching, or painful leg cramps, it's a strong sign you might be low on magnesium. Magnesium is an electrolyte that's vital for your nerves and muscles. It acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to calm everything down. When magnesium levels are low, your muscles can become overexcited, leading to those awful cramps. Almonds are one of the best food sources of magnesium you can find. Just a small handful, about a quarter of a cup, delivers a significant chunk of your daily magnesium needs. By boosting your magnesium intake, you can help your muscles contract and relax smoothly, which translates to legs that feel more fluid, less stiff, and more reliable. Beyond magnesium, almonds provide a healthy dose of protein and monounsaturated fats, making them a great snack for sustained energy. Unlike carb-heavy snacks that lead to crashes, the combo of protein, fat, and fiber in almonds provides a slow, steady release of fuel. They're also a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from stress. The best part about almonds is their convenience. To get their benefits, you don't need to cook anything. Just pack a small bag of raw, unsalted almonds to snack on. Add a spoonful of almond butter to your morning smoothie, or sprinkle slivered almonds over your yogurt or salad. That simple handful can be enough to help top up your magnesium levels, which is crucial for preventing painful cramps and providing the steady energy your legs need to feel strong. Our seventh food is a tiny seed that punches way above its weight, offering a unique combo of hydration, anti-inflammatory power, and protein: chia seeds. Dehydration is a surprisingly common cause of muscle fatigue. Even being slightly dehydrated can make your legs feel sluggish and prone to cramping. Chia seeds are hydration superstars because they can absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel. When you consume this gel, it helps prolong hydration in your body, providing a slow release of water and electrolytes to your muscles. It's why ancient Aztec and Mayan runners relied on chia for endurance. Proper hydration ensures that nutrients get to your muscle cells and waste products get out, which is critical for strength. But chia seeds are also packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Just like the omega-3s in salmon, the ALA in chia seeds is a potent anti-inflammatory. It helps soothe the inflammation in muscles and joints that leads to soreness, allowing your legs to move more freely. On top of that, chia seeds are a source of complete plant-based protein, and they are loaded with minerals like magnesium and calcium, which are essential for preventing cramps. Incorporating chia seeds is simple. The best way is to make a chia gel or pudding. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with a half cup of liquid like almond milk or water, and let it sit for at least 15-20 minutes. You can eat this plain or mix it into yogurt. You can also just sprinkle chia seeds on your salad or oatmeal. By adding just a couple of tablespoons of these powerhouse seeds to your diet today, you're helping your body stay hydrated longer, fighting inflammation, and providing key nutrients for repair. Finally, our 8th food is a creamy and delicious choice for muscle recovery: Greek yogurt. After a long day, your leg muscles need to repair themselves. This is where Greek yogurt shines. What makes it so special is that it contains a powerful blend of 2 types of protein, whey and casein. Whey protein is fast digesting. When you eat Greek yogurt, the whey is absorbed quickly, delivering a rapid supply of amino acids to your tired muscles to kickstart the repair process almost immediately. Think of it as the first responder team, but the benefits don't stop there. The other protein, casein, is slow digesting. It forms a gel in the stomach, leading to a slow, steady release of amino acids over several hours. This makes Greek yogurt an ideal food to eat after dinner or before bed, as it continues to feed your muscles while you sleep. You're setting the stage for a more effective overnight recovery. Beyond its incredible protein profile, Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of calcium, a mineral that is absolutely essential for muscle contractions. Your nerves use calcium to send the signals that tell your muscles to move. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that support a healthy gut, which is crucial for absorbing all the nutrients from the other foods on this list. For a recovery boost, aim for a serving of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Have it as a post-dinner snack with a few berries and a sprinkle of those almonds we talked about. This combination provides the perfect mix of fast and slow proteins, healthy fats, and antioxidants to optimize overnight recovery. By incorporating Greek yogurt, you're executing a brilliant two-phase strategy, giving your muscles the immediate help they need, and then providing the sustained support required to rebuild their power overnight. So there you have it, 8 powerful foods that can help you start the journey to restoring your leg power, right from your own kitchen. Let's do a quick recap. We started with beets and spinach to boost circulation and flood your muscles with oxygen. Then, we added salmon, our anti-inflammatory hero, to help fight soreness. For sustained energy, we have quinoa, the complex carb that prevents energy crashes. Next, we have eggs to trigger muscle repair and almonds to fight cramps with magnesium. We brought in chia seeds for hydration and Greek yogurt with its fast and slow proteins for immediate and overnight recovery. The path to stronger legs doesn't have to involve grueling workouts. It can begin on your plate with your very next meal. The power to feel stronger, more stable, and more energetic is within your reach. So, I have a question for you. Which one of these foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Your journey could inspire someone else to take that first step. And if you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. It truly helps our channel reach and help more people just like you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next video. Thank you for watching. Here's to stronger legs and a more powerful you.